Hi, everyone. I want to start by thanking everyone that went in and completed the Survey Monkey. I had asked what you want to do in the next few weeks, whether you want to continue with Code HSVR, something else in Code HS, or just a new topic. And then I left the platform open if you wanted to suggest something. And there was at least one person that suggested we do physical computing, which is what we were supposed to do this time if we had been physically together. So I played around with it and I came up with an idea where we can do that. So we're going to leave Code HS and we're going to move to a new platform. Let me show you what the assignment this week looks like. So the assignment this week looks like this. You're going to see at the top a microbit, and you'll see you have two assignments that you're going to complete this week. The first thing is a video review of the difference between hardware and software. It's something that we've already learned about this year, but this is a good review. With that video, you'll have a discussion question that you're going to complete on Monday. Tuesday through Friday, you're going to move into the new platform. It's a Microsoft sponsored platform. It's called MakeCode. So you're going to go ahead and click the link. And this is what it looks like. You're going to have 5 projects that you're going to need to complete this week, which sounds like a lot, but I promise you they're super easy. You could even do all 5 in one sitting and it wouldn't take you very long at all. So you can see there's flashing heart, name tag, smiley button, dice, and love meter. I'm going to go ahead and move into one that I've already completed, which is flashing heart, so you can see. This is how the platform is set up, similar to other platforms that we've used in the past. On the left, you're going to see a simulation of the circuit board. Now, the actual circuit board, I'll open it up. Looks like this. So you can see it's a pretty good simulation. That's the back side. So the microbit has all kinds of different input-output opportunities, and you'll be able to explore those a little bit in this platform. It's with the simulation. You can interact with it. You'll be able to physically move it. You'll be able to program it, push the buttons, all the things that you would do normally with the actual circuit board, you'll be able to do in this platform. You'll see in the middle are all of the different code blocks. This is a Blockly platform. So you can see they are color-coded and they are divided up into the different types of programming, different programming code. Over on the right is where you actually perform your program, and you would move a block over and drop it in. Throw it away like that. Now, the cool part is if you go to the top and you toggle to JavaScript, just like in code.org, you can do everything in the actual written code, not by block. And it's kind of interesting to see. So on the left, you can see I've programmed a heart that blinks. And over here, you can see what that looks like. I think it's kind of interesting that the LEDs are programmed using the dollar sign, or not the dollar sign, the hashtag sign or the number sign. So you can toggle back and forth. So you're going to complete 5 different activities. Let me go back. What I want you to do for your actual assignment is to take a picture or a screenshot of those completed assignments. So you can see right here, after you've worked on something, it will show you the name of the project and then your completion. So you can just take a picture of that. You can also take a picture of the actual project itself and code if you would like. That works for me too. And that is your assignment for this week. Now, the other thing that I put in here is, oh, and by the way, you just submit right here in this assignment, your picture or screen capture. I've put 2 different links. If you are interested, you can purchase one of these circuit boards yourself. It's pretty cheap. It's under 20 bucks. I put 2 different links. The first one is the Adafruit website, which looks like this. You can see $17.50 for the microbit bundle. Typically, the bundle will come like this, and the circuit board itself will come in a static guard case. It's really important that you keep your circuit boards in a static guard like this, a static guard envelope, to keep your microbit or your circuit board from capturing and holding on to electricity. The other thing that you're going to receive is a battery pack to keep it charged, and you'll also receive a micro USB, which is a tiny USB. Now, there are different size micro USBs with different length cords. It comes with a very, very short cord, so you may want to consider, if you don't already have some of these lying around, purchasing some different lengths. I know when I use this one, I'm tethered really close to the computer, and it makes it hard to work with, but it does get you started. Now you'll see there are a bunch of other different things that you can buy as well, which is kind of cool. Different cases and different, this one is a Cricut, which you plug your microbit into, and it gives you even more capabilities. The Kitten Bot, which I think is super cool. You can actually plug your microbit in and program a handheld game. The edge connector right here, or the Kitten Bot, this one is going to create your microbit into one of the old school cartridge game pieces, which is super cool. So all kinds of different things that you can purchase. And let me show you how it looks on Amazon. If we type in, here's the microbit, it's $20.29, and you're going to get all the different components that I have. Looks like that. If you type in microbit accessories, you're going to see there's a lot of different options here that you can get. I think that this one right here is really cool. You can actually program a little miniature piano. Super cool. It plugs in like that. And some other different things that you can purchase, which are really fun. So a lot of you are moving on in CS in high school. Some of you are going into engineering. It might be fun if you have some extra money from birthdays or Christmases lying around, or maybe you have a birthday coming up, is to purchase some of this and play with it over the summer. It's only going to benefit you and prepare you more for high school, especially if you're going into engineering. There are going to be some bots on here. Let's see if I can see. You can see there's some different bots. This one is a pretty user-friendly one. It's the Freaks microbit, and you can actually program that bot using your circuit board. Let me go back into MakeCode and show you. You can play around on MakeCode. Next week we're going to use MakeCode again, but we're going to look at a different type of circuit board. So play around with this and see what you think. But down here at the bottom, you're going to see there's all kinds of different projects that have been done, and these projects really infuse engineering and CS together. And like I said, if you're going into engineering class next year, you might as well play around with this and kind of get your feet wet. You'll bring a new skill into the classroom that maybe other kids don't have, or maybe you'll find someone else that has it, and you'll be able to build something really fantastic. So that is your assignment for the week. I hope you guys are doing well, and I miss you guys very much. Next week, like I said, we'll look at the Adafruit Circuit Playground, and we'll compare the two and see what you guys think. Feel free to contact me on email, inbox, or Remind, and have a great week. Bye.